Hi everyone, welcome to WinPIPE. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use WinPIPE to set up load cases using B31.3 Appendix S S301 as our example. There are two basic ways to set up load cases. One is to use recommended cases from WinPIPE. Another is to build each case manually. First, let's use recommended cases. Let's start WinPIPE and open B31.3 S301, which we have already created. Go to Material tab and enter Operating Conditions. First, operating temperature, then operating pressure. Now we can set up load cases. Let's go to Menu Analysis and select Load Case Data Screen. Click Recommend and click Use Recommended Cases. As you can see in the dialog box, 10 load cases are recommended by WinPIPE. To satisfy the job requirements, let's modify the recommended load cases. Remove a few cases. Add an expansion case between temperature 1 and 2. Set bend stiffening pressure to pressure 1. Let's check our model and load cases. Go to Menu Analysis and select Check Piping Model for analysis. As you can see in the spreadsheet, there are no error messages. We are now done with the load case setup. Before we leave, let's save the job as B31.3 S301 Setup Load Cases Recommend. Now let's set up load cases manually. Close the current job and open B31.3 S301 again. Go to Material tab and enter Operating Conditions. First, operating temperature, then operating pressure. Now we can set up load cases. Either click Tool button Load Case or hit F4. Hit button Add After 6 times to create 6 load cases. Let's edit these cases. Case 1 is an operating case. Case 2 is also an operating case. Case 3 is a sustained case. Case 4 is an expansion case between temperature 1 and installation temperature. Case 5 is an expansion case between temperature 2 and installation temperature. Case 6 is an expansion case between temperature 1 and temperature 2. Let's check our model and load cases. Click Tool button, Check Model. As you can see in the spreadsheet, there are no error messages. We are now done with the load case setup. Before we leave, let's save the job as B31.3 S301 Setup Load Cases manually.